Hey, if you're still juggling contracts through email, waiting days for signatures, or paying 30 plus a month for e-sign tools that feel like they were built in 2011, you're going to want to see this. Let me introduce you to BreezeDoc, a super clean, no-fuss document signing tool that lets you send, sign, and even invoice clients, all in under a minute. No fluff, no learning curve. You pay once, and you're set for life. Yep, this is a lifetime deal. Let me show you how simple it is. You upload a doc or pick a ready-made template, drop in your signature fields, name your signer, hit send. Done. No overcomplicated workflows, no 12-step wizard, just fast. This is what I wish Adobe Sign felt like. Yes, signatures are legally binding, and no, your client doesn't need to create an account to sign. They can sign from a phone, tablet, laptop, whatever. They just get the link, tap, sign, and boom, it's done. Oh, and here's something I didn't expect. You can actually send an invoice right with the contract and get paid through PayPal or Stripe all in one flow. Perfect if you're tired of chasing down payments in a separate tool. Now, if you're working with clients, branding matters. On the agency plan, there's zero BreezeDoc branding. You can slap your own logo on the emails and signing pages. Keep it professional and on brand. And if you're running a team, maybe a small agency, you'll love this. You can add up to 6 users, create shared templates, and everyone gets their own dashboard. So your team stays on the same page, literally. Now here's the part that honestly made me do a double take. You can get lifetime access to BreezeDoc starting at just $19 on AppSumo. That's not per month, that's one time. They've got 2 plans. The individual plan is $19 and perfect if you're a solopreneur. You get 20 documents a month, multi-recipient support, invoicing, templates, reminders, and even a custom logo with reduced BreezeDoc branding. But for just $49, you unlock the agency plan. And this is where it gets crazy. Unlimited documents, no BreezeDoc branding, full team support for up to 6 users, and all the pro features included. Both plans are lifetime access, and yeah, AppSumo's got that 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it totally risk-free. Look, if you've been waiting for a simpler, cleaner, and more affordable way to send contracts and get paid, this is it. It's fast, it's easy, and it just works. I'll drop link to the BreezeDoc lifetime deal down below. No pressure, but if you use it, it helps support the channel. Thanks for watching. And hey, don't overpay for e-sign tools ever again.